is John-Jay Greenspan, and I own Tidewater Technology Solutions. I am a computer consultant, and I am privileged and proud to live in Norfolk, Virginia.
My name is Phil Hudson. I run an IT management firm in Toronto, Ontario.
Hi, my name is Kean. I'm the CEO of Monetizemore. I'm 33 and from Victoria, BC, Canada.
I remember the day that I found you, and it was through a good old-fashioned Google search.
My administrator, actually, Lori, who's our administrator, she found the site.
I found out about Softwarekeep from a friend, and I was actually looking to install the Microsoft Suite into my Mac, which I just got.
My experience was so good that y'all are my go-to partner. When I need something immediately, whether it's 2 o'clock in the morning, and believe it or not, I work lots of nights, weekends, and holidays because I'm always in a rush to have people up and running by the time they get to work the next day, because you deliver what you promise in a fast manner, and I've been thrilled with your customer support.
I would say generally quite good. The keys are, we get an email with the keys to the program and the instructions on how to install it relatively quickly.
So I wasn't sure where to go. My friend showed me the site, blazing fast, really easy to find the products that I wanted. I got through there, and after I bought it, just for some tiny little issues, the support was super fast in terms of their response rates.
I'd recommend you to everybody. I would have a bumper sticker on my car with your company name on it if I didn't have a business providing Microsoft products to about 135 clients at any given time.
I would say relatively likely, yeah.
If any of my friends ask, I would definitely recommend them.